If you're over 60 and every morning feels like you're waking up in a different body, one that's stiff, slow, and aching, then this video is for you. Many seniors wake up with joint pain in their knees, hips, back, or hands, and they think it's just normal aging. But here's the truth. There's a reason your joints hurt more in the morning. And it's not just about your age, it's about what happens to your joints while you sleep and what you do before you go to bed. As a doctor, I've seen how simple nighttime habits can completely change the way seniors feel in the morning. So in this video, I'll explain why morning joint pain happens and exactly what to do before bed to wake up feeling looser, lighter, and in control of your body. Again, why morning joint pain happens. Let's first talk about why your joints hurt. More in the morning than at any other time of day, your joints are designed to move, glide, and stay lubricated with a special fluid called synovial fluid. But at night, while you're sleeping, something happens. Your body goes still. You're lying in one position, sometimes for hours. That lack of motion causes your joint fluid to settle and thicken, almost like oil getting cold in an engine. Meanwhile, your body's temperature drops slightly during sleep, slowing down circulation. For someone with already sensitive or inflamed joints, this means stiffness, swelling, and pain when you wake up. And for those with arthritis, this effect is even stronger. Inflammation tends to build overnight when the body isn't flushing it out with movement. That's why you wake up and feel rusty, as if your joints need to be warmed up before you can even start your day. But here's the key. Morning pain is not permanent. You can prevent or reduce it with the right nighttime habits. What you might be doing wrong. Before bed, many seniors unknowingly make 3 common mistakes that increase joint pain overnight. Going to bed without moving your joints at all, eating inflammation-triggering foods late at night, sleeping in joint-stressing positions. These choices seem harmless, but they determine how well your joints recover during the most important healing window, your sleep cycle. So let's walk through the solutions. Step 1. Gentle joint movement before bed. Your joints don't like being still for too long. So one of the best things you can do before bed is give them just a little bit of gentle movement. This isn't exercise. It's more like sending a message to your joints that they're still active, still alive, and still working. Here's a simple 5-minute routine. Sit on a chair and slowly extend your legs one at a time. Do gentle arm circles and wrist rolls. Circle your ankles and flex your knees in and out. Roll your shoulders and stretch your back lightly. Finish with 10 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling slowly. This movement stimulates circulation, warms the joint tissue, and keeps the fluid in your joints mobile so it doesn't settle and harden while you sleep. It may sound too simple, but it works. Just a few minutes of movement before bed can drastically reduce morning stiffness. Step 2. Eat anti-inflammatory snacks. Only your body heals while you sleep, but only if it's not fighting inflammation all night. That's why it's so important to watch what you eat in the evening. Late-night snacks high in salt, sugar, or processed fats will trigger inflammatory responses in your joints. This leads to increased pain, swelling, and stiffness by morning. Instead, choose foods that fight inflammation. A small banana with a tablespoon of almond butter, warm turmeric, milk made with plant-based milk, and a dash of black pepper, chamomile, or ginger tea to relax the body. A few walnuts or chia seeds to nourish joints overnight. Also, try to stop eating 2 hours before bed. That gives your digestion time to settle and allows your body to shift into rest and repair mode. Step 3. Fix your sleeping position. Your sleep posture has a direct impact on how your joints feel when you wake up. Sleeping the wrong way can twist, compress, or stress your joints for hours without you realizing it. Here's what I recommend. Side sleepers. Always place a pillow between your knees to align your hips and reduce pressure on the knees. Back sleepers. Place a pillow under your knees to relieve low back pressure and reduce knee hyperextension. Avoid stomach sleeping. It twists the neck and pulls the hips and knees into awkward angles. If you suffer from swelling, you can also elevate your legs slightly before bed to help drain fluid from the knees and ankles. And lastly, use a firm, supportive mattress and pillow. Your spine and joints need a stable surface to truly relax and regenerate. Bonus, add this nighttime joint healing ritual. Here's a bonus routine many of my patients love: the warm compress ritual. About 30 minutes before bed, apply a warm towel or heating pad to the joints that tend to hurt most: knees, hips, shoulders, or hands. Just 10 to 15 minutes is enough. This helps increase blood flow, loosen tight muscles around the joint, relax the nervous system, prepare your joints for deeper recovery. Follow it with a light joint massage using castor oil, arnica gel, or magnesium lotion. Not only does this reduce pain, it also helps you fall asleep faster. So let's put it all together. If your joints hurt every morning, it's not just AGT's inflammation, immobility, and poor nighttime recovery. But you can change that. Tonight, try this simple plan. Move your joints gently before bed. Eat only anti-inflammatory snacks. Adjust your sleeping position. And add warmth and care to the joints you want to heal. Be amazed how much better your body can feel by morning when you give it the right support overnight. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe for more real advice for people over 60. Share this with someone who's been waking up in pain. Your mornings don't have to start with struggle. They can start with strength.